your go-to destination for everything high-performance, cutting-edge, and absolutely thrilling in the world of automobiles. If you're passionate about muscle cars, today's video is going to blow your mind. Because Dodge has just done what many thought was impossible. The next-generation 2026 Dodge Challenger Hellcat has been officially unveiled. And it's not just a refresh, it's a complete revolution. Stay with us, because we're diving deep into this beast's insane upgrades, performance, design, and everything that makes this new Hellcat a roaring return to form. Well, let's jump right into it. The 2026 Dodge Challenger Hellcat marks a bold and aggressive new chapter in the Challenger's legendary story. While previous models were about brute strength, this one combines heritage muscle with futuristic innovation. Right off the bat, Dodge has kept its promise of retaining the classic American muscle DNA. But now it's wrapped in sharper aerodynamics, smarter tech, and even wilder power. Let's talk power first. The heart of the 2026 Hellcat is a completely re-engineered 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8. Yes, the Hemi lives on. And it's meaner than ever. Dodge says the engine now delivers a mind-bending 807 horsepower and 770 lb-ft of torque, numbers that make the previous gen Red Eye look tame. This isn't just a car, it's a street-legal rocket with new performance tuning and weight distribution upgrades. The 0 to 60 mph time is now just 3.2 seconds. Top speed, north of 205 miles per hour. But this time it's not just about raw muscle. Dodge has brought in next-gen hybrid assist technology. Now, before you panic, no, it's not going full electric. This is a performance-focused mild hybrid system that delivers extra torque on demand and sharpens throttle response without dulling the muscle car feel. Think of it as a power booster rather than a fuel saver. Dodge calls it the Torque E-Boost, and it really comes alive during launches and mid-range acceleration. The transmission has been upgraded too. A new 9-speed performance-tuned automatic gearbox replaces the old 8-speed, giving sharper shifts and better high-speed efficiency. There's also a track-optimized manual mode, with paddle shifters that feel more responsive than ever. Dodge knows what its fans want: control and thrill. And they've delivered both. Moving on to design, wow, Dodge went all in. The 2026 Challenger Hellcat keeps the muscular stance and broad shoulders we've loved for years, but every line has been sharpened. The front grille is meaner and more purposeful, now featuring active aero shutters. The hood scoop is even larger and functional, feeding cool air directly to that monstrous V8. LED lighting all around gives it a futuristic glow, especially with the new Hellcat-specific red halo DRLs. And let's not ignore that rear. A new integrated rear diffuser, quad exhaust setup, and a wider rear stance not only look aggressive, but serve a purpose. Dodge engineers say aerodynamic efficiency has improved by 18% over the previous generation. This means more downforce, less drag, and better handling at high speed. Speaking of handling, Dodge has worked hard to make sure this Hellcat isn't just a straight-line warrior. With a new adaptive suspension system, active dampers, and a lower center of gravity, this beast can now take corners like never before. It even comes with 4 selectable drive modes: Street, Sport, Track, and Custom. Each one dynamically changes throttle mapping, suspension stiffness, steering feedback, and exhaust sound. And yes, the track mode turns everything up to 11. The wheels are 20-inch forged aluminum wrapped in massive Pirelli P0 tires. Behind them are Brembo carbon ceramic brakes with 6-piston calipers. Because with great speed comes the need for great stopping power. Step inside and Dodge has seriously upgraded the interior. It still feels like a cockpit, but now it's one from the future. Premium Alcantara and leather wrap nearly every surface. The driver gets a new 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster with Hellcat-specific animations, while the center features a massive 15-inch curved touchscreen that controls everything from performance data to climate control. The new Uconnect 6 system offers real-time telemetry, launch control settings, drift mode stats, and even lets you share lap times straight from the screen. There's also wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Harman Kardon 18-speaker sound system that's brutally clear, just in case you ever get tired of listening to the V8 roar. But what really surprises is how much smarter the 2026 Hellcat has become. For the first time, Dodge has added Level 2 driver assistance, adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. It's like they want you to go crazy on the track, but keep you safe on the streets. Another big surprise, Dodge is offering an optional wide-body kit with carbon fiber panels, reducing overall weight by 120 pounds. Combine that with a stiffer chassis, and the result is a car that feels more planted, quicker off the line, and tighter through turns. Now, let's talk pricing. Dodge hasn't given exact numbers yet, but insiders say the 2026 Challenger Hellcat will start around $78,000, 0 cents for the base version, and go well north of $100,000, 0 cents for the fully loaded Track Pro Edition. That's a lot, but when you consider the performance, tech, and sheer attitude you're getting, it's still one of the best deals in the high-performance market. And yes, Dodge confirmed that this is not the final chapter. There are special editions and a rumored hybrid twin-turbo variant in the works, possibly pushing close to 900 horsepower. But for now, the 2026 Challenger Hellcat is the king of muscle. Refined for the modern era, but still unapologetically brutal. So what do you think of the 2026 Dodge Challenger Hellcat? Did Dodge go too far into the future, or did they strike the perfect balance between heritage and innovation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more exclusive reveals, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We've got more 2026 supercar and muscle car coverage dropping soon, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. This is Auto Garage, where horsepower meets passion. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.